dawn by making a to-do list first. Then arrange the level of difficulty of each task. Once you are finished, you can start doing the time-consuming tasks. This is a big help because you can use all your energy in doing the hard schoolworks and make the most out of it more than the easier tasks. This involves visualizing the possible great outcomes or results if you put much effort in doing your schoolworks. It can be obtaining a high score and a high grade, a recognition or compliment for your hard work, or even the rewards that your parents can give you if you did your best in school. In this way, you will stay driven and patient in doing your schoolwork. It's also important to eat foods that are rich in carbs and to drink plenty of water while working on your school task. It's because by doing this, it'll give you a sugar rush that can enable your brain to stay active and focused. Also, it can drive you away from feeling lazy and sleepy. Jamming to your favorite music while doing your schoolworks can lighten your mood. And the beat of the music can affect your speed in doing your task. The other option is listening to some relaxing or calm music, and this works better for me. It's because I get to have a clear and peaceful mind while trying to finish something. There are plenty of relaxing music for studying that you can find in YouTube, and I find them really effective. It would also be easy for you to stay on track if you give yourself some time to take a rest every once in a while, because it allows your brain to also breathe and save up some energy again for the next session. You can allot a 10 to 15 minute breaks, and during those breaks, you can nap, eat food, use your phone, or do some stretching. But remember, self-control is a must.